The key to launching a high-demand business lies in identifying trends and understanding consumer pain points, as well as ensuring your idea addresses a specific problem effectively. In this video, we are sharing 20 high-demand business ideas to start a business in 2025. Number 1. Senior Care Services. It's a meaningful business that provides a valuable service to families and communities. Number 2. Composting services. You can collect organic waste from homes or businesses, compost it, and sell the nutrient-rich soil to gardeners or farmers. Number 3. Educational toys and games. Creating toys and games that teach skills like math, reading, or even coding can be a rewarding venture with a high demand among families. Number 4. Coding boot camps. Starting a coding boot camp, whether online or in person, can help people gain valuable skills that lead to better job opportunities in a tech-driven world. Number 5. Meal prep services. A great idea for anyone with a passion for food and nutrition. Number 6. Gluten-free bakery. Gluten-free diets are on the rise, and having a dedicated bakery for gluten-free diets can attract customers with dietary restrictions or health-conscious foodies who love their baked goods. Number 7. Plant-based food products. From snacks to meat alternatives, there's a world of opportunity in plant-based foods. Number 8. Property management services. From maintenance to tenant relations, this service takes the hassle out of property ownership for landlords. Number 9. Mobile tire service. This business idea is all about convenience and quick service, perfect for roadside assistance. Number 10. Tiny home construction. If you're skilled in construction or design, building tiny homes could be your niche. Plus, they're in demand as housing solutions and vacation rentals. Number 11. Debt counseling services. With financial challenges on the rise, helping people manage and reduce their debt can make a huge impact. Number 12. Sports memorabilia store. From jerseys to signed equipment, opening a memorabilia store can be a dream business for any sports enthusiast. Number 13. Adventure travel business. People love to experience new things, so offering guided adventures like hiking trips or extreme sport activities is a fantastic way to combine passion with profit in the booming travel sector. Number 14. Men's grooming product store. Starting a line of products like beard oils, skincare, and hair products tailored to men is a solid idea in this growing market. Number 15. Plant-based food truck. A mobile, plant-based eatery can serve up fresh, healthy meals to conscious eaters on the go. Number 16. Financial literacy coaching. It's a great way to help people gain control over their finances. Number 17. Sports injury rehabilitation services. This can include physical therapy, massage, and personalized recovery plans. Number 18. Rainwater harvesting systems. You can help homes and businesses collect and reuse rainwater, reducing their environmental footprints. Number 19. Remote work solutions. This can mean anything from project management software to ergonomic home office setups. And number 20. Water purification system.